Delphi hearings are going to be continued. Earlier this week, the defense attorneys for the Delphi case asked for a continuance of the bail hearing and the jury trial. A bail hearing was set for February 17th, a little bit later this month. Attorneys for Richard Allen have cited they have not yet received all the discovery from the prosecutors, and without the discovery, they are not prepared to proceed with the bail hearing. As an attorney that has done a bail hearing on a murder case, this motion to continue has caught me completely by surprise. My client was kicking and screaming to get his bail hearing and jury trial done as soon as possible because he wanted to be out of jail. This hearing was set back in November of last year. I find it almost unbelievable a prosecutor has not gotten at least the most incriminating information to the defense team. Now, I get it. The defense attorneys may not yet have everything. There's likely 6 years worth of leads that probably went nowhere, but technically can help the defense point the finger at somebody else. But the bail hearing is not the trial. The bail hearing acts as a mini trial where the state has to prove by preponderance of the evidence that the evidence Richard Allen committed murder is strong. In my opinion, even if the defendant has a zero chance of getting bail, the bail hearing is an amazing discovery tool to get a good hard look at the prosecutor's evidence and witnesses. The evidence that has been released so far is weak, and the defense team has gone on record stating that it's weak. And if the evidence is weak, why would they want more time to review it before the bail hearing? As I'm saying this, I recognize a man's life's at stake. I'm not talking about him being put to death if found guilty, but the reality is Richard Allen is a middle-aged man. If he gets convicted, he likely will die in jail. And so I understand why they want as much time as possible to review everything. But it is hard to reconcile this request for continuance when the defense team is on TV and releasing statements that Richard Allen is innocent. And to clarify, the defense team has not said the state can't prove Richard Allen is guilty of murder. The defense team have said their client is innocent and the prosecutors have the wrong guy. What we are witnessing is one of the great dangers of releasing statements to the media about a client's innocence. I don't think the evidence released so far to the public, this probable cause affidavit, is enough to prove Richard Allen is guilty. And I agree with the defense team that the evidence is weak. But when I see a motion to continue the bail hearing and the jury trial, it maybe makes me think the defense team is not so sure anymore. Again, this continuance caught me by complete surprise and has left me wondering about what evidence has been given to them since the probable cause has been released. It's super important to remember Richard Allen is innocent until and unless proven guilty in a court of law. And even more important, remember always plead the fifth.